Hello and welcome to Simon Tech Notes. My name is Christian and I'm part of the technical support team here. Today we will be going over how to install CICON PLC software correctly. The first step is to make sure that your system is up to date. So go ahead and check for updates on your Windows machine, and you want to see this status message right here. So go ahead and press check for updates. If you need to install something, not a huge deal. Go ahead and install it, restart your computer, rinse and repeat until you get this status message here. So since I'm up all to date, I am good to go to the next step. So when you download the CICON software from our website or from an employee of ours, it will come in a zipped file as this such, and then you're going to go ahead, right click and extract all, and then you'll get a folder location that you can enter. And there's no prerequisites for this installation. Just download the executable file here and you should be good to go. I'll just walk you through a little bit of the steps that are casually in here as we go through. So we're going to be installing this. So it tells you to install the prerequisite already. So you don't have to install anything outside of the software itself. It does it for you essentially. So then the end user license agreement will come up. Go ahead and read through this carefully. If you agree, we can go on to the next step. If you don't, go ahead and exit the installation process right now. Then I'm going to accept and go to the next one. This file location is common one that is used by all CIMON software, so I recommend keeping it at this folder location. Otherwise, you can change where you want to save everything right here. So I'm going to keep it there, go to the next one, and then the install wizard shield could come up, and then you'll see at the top left that a desktop icon is already showing up for me. I can remove that if I want, and then it'll tell you that the PLC USB driver is already installed, and it was very quick. That was less than 2 minutes, and looks like we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and delete this, but I'm going to pull up CICON so you can kind of see what it looks like real quick. Then that was a very quick installation, and then this is what it looks like. Go to File, New Project. You can pick your PLC. I pick a PLCS. I'm just going to give it a generic name for my program. Press OK, and then I can create a new program here. And I'm going to make it a scan, and then this is what our ladder logic looks like. Essentially, you have all your functions up here, and then your ladder logic canvas right here. And then that is it for today. Thank you for joining us in this video, and have a wonderful day.